Good morning, everybody. This is your main man, Big Horn. If you can hear the sound of my voice, that means you're tuned in to WJET, Raddad Cooks Country Radio. We're gonna take a call. Caller, how's it going?
Hey, Big Horn, how's it going, man? Long time listening for down caller, you know what I mean, man? You know, family, man, we've been whipping up all these Raddad Cook pizza pies all week long. We got a couple extra doughs left over. I wondering if you got something I can do with them.
Well, I sure do. Come on along. We're gonna whip up this here breakfast pizza pie. It's got country gravy for the sauce, sausage, hash browns, and even some eggs. Grab a can and let's get cooking. We're gonna start off by getting all our ingredients ready for our toppings. We're gonna brown up some of that sausage. You can use whatever you want. This is Jimmy Dean mild. Next, we're gonna go ahead and cook up 2 hash brown patties. It's gonna go up on the top there. And we're gonna whip up our gravy for our sauce. Now, this is just Pioneer brand pepper country gravy. There'll be a link down inside the description so y'all can find that. For our vegetables, we're gonna do some mushrooms, some red onion, yellow bell pepper, whatever color you like. And then we're gonna cut them hash brown patties up into 8 pieces each, just like this. Alright, now we're gonna get our dough stretched out and up on the grill so we can get the topping in. See how that grill lets you squeeze a couple extra inches out of that? Everybody can use a couple extra inches. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our sauce up on here. We used about 8 ounces of this sauce on here. You want to make sure your sauce is cold before you go spreading it up on that dough. You're going to make a big old mess. Then we're going to put our toppings on. We're going to start with the sausage, the mushrooms, the onions, and the peppers. And then we're going to top it with the cheese. The cheese we use in a Monterey cheddar blend here. Putting about 4 ounces of cheese on that pie. And very last, we're gonna top it with them hash browns. We want them hash brown critters up top so them critters get crispy. Alright, in the oven you go. Now we're gonna cook that pie for about 70% of the way, or in my case, 7 of the 10 minutes. So while that's going on, we're gonna go ahead and scramble up some eggs. It's gonna be our secret ingredient for the top. Don't forget to check out that video on the Brother channel. Show you how to make a pizza oven inside your home oven. That's gonna get you the maximum results when doing any Raddad pizza recipes. Out comes that pizza pie. On goes the eggs. You wanna drizzle these on slowly. The heat from the pie is gonna immediately start cooking those eggs. Help it set up for you. Get a little on the counter, don't worry about that. Mama clean that up. I'm just kidding, Mama gonna whoop my ass. Alright, back in the oven she goes for another 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna pull it out and be treated to the side of a lovely breakfast pizza pie with that crispy brown bottom. Y'all swing through Raddad Cooks for. Just look at that thing. Little press on the eggs. We can make sure they're set up before we go slicing into it. If they're not quite cooked all the way, just let them sit on top of that pie. They'll finish up. Eggs is really delicate. Slice it on up into 6 or 8 pieces, whatever you prefer, and bring that on out to the clan. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope y'all found something you can do with that leftover pizza dough on Saturday morning, or heck, even Wednesday if yours is at home. Thank you very much, and hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That way you can find out whenever we come out with new recipes. Raddad Cooks Country Radio. This is Big Horn signing off. I'll catch y'all next time.
Comment, subscribe.